Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at what to do when your sprinklers are still running, even though there are no zones on. So you can see that on my box here, I have it set to run. There are no zones currently running though. But if we go take a look just right outside here, we can see that my sprinklers are on and running. Okay, so let's head back into the box here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the box to off, like so, and then we're going to unplug it from the wall. We'll just set that right down here, like so. Okay, let's go take a look out here. We can see in this case, the sprinklers are still on and running, so that does not fix the problem. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to head back to the sprinkler box. I'll take us back there right now. Alright guys, what we're looking at here is the inside of a sprinkler box. These are the different valves inside the box for all the different zones that run the sprinklers. The first thing we can do, so these are your solenoids. These are what the sprinkler box controls to turn your zones on and off. So you can see on this one, it tells us which way we need to turn it to off and which way we turn it to on. And these just need to be hand tight, so we're just going to take it. You can see this one was pretty loose here. And just turn it snug there. Again, you don't want to wrench these down. You're going to hurt the threads if you do it too tight, but they do need to be snug. Just like so. And I could actually hear that turned the sprinkler off. So, potentially it got nudged, or when somebody was blowing out the sprinkler, something happened. But just a quick, easy thing to fix. If it's not that, the next thing you can do is there is a little like air bleeder valve here. And you can open this up like so. And it will bleed out any of the, air and debris that's in there. It may or may not work, but it's another good thing to try to see if you can get any of the debris or air out of there that might be keeping the valve open. We'll go ahead and shut this here. Same thing with this one too. You just want it to be hand tight. Nothing more than that. You don't want to strip it out or break it. Finally, if neither of those things fixed your issue, the next thing you want to do is you want to turn off the water to the sprinkler system, the main water supply. So in this case, mine's inside the house. Yours may be inside or outside, but I'm going to take you inside my house right now so I can show you what mine looks like, and we'll get it turned off. Alright guys, so if turning off your sprinkler box and unplugging it didn't work, and then going back to your sprinkler box and hand tightening the solenoid didn't work. In my case, it did work. That actually got my sprinklers to turn off. And also, if you tried the air bleeder valve to get any of the air debris out, and none of those steps worked, and your sprinkler is still on and running, the next step that you have to do to get your sprinklers turned off is find the water main for your irrigation system. In my case, here's mine right here. It's inside the house. Yours could be inside or outside. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn it to off. And by doing this, what you're doing is you're shutting off the water supply to the sprinkler system, and it will turn all of your sprinklers off. So from there, you can, either call a sprinkler repair person to come out and take a look at your sprinkler system, or I do have a video that I will put in the description and also link at the end of this video that shows you how to take apart your valves and clean them and replace the diaphragm and inspect for any debris that you might find in the valve that could be keeping it open. So hopefully you guys liked this video and it helped you out. I hope it did. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.